So in this next problem here, what we're going to do is I'm going to give you a graph now, and I'm going to say, hey, Billy, let's find the system from this graph, the system of inequalities from this graph. So what we're going to do is we're just going to find two inequalities, one for the blue one and one for the green one. Okay? And then we're just going to put them right above, and then we got our system. So it shouldn't be too bad, right? So let's, I think the best way to do this is to start by finding the graph of the line, the equation for the line. So let's start with the blue one right here. I notice on my blue one, it's y is something. We're not sure what that something is yet. mx plus b. Okay, and so we got to figure out what the b is and what the m is. So the b is the y-intercept, so that's -3. So I'll put a -3 here, and the slope is rise over run. So it looks like we're going up 1, 2, and over 1, and it's a positive slope, so it's a rise of 2 over 1, which is 2. So I have y is something 2x minus 3. Now we just got to figure out what that something is, and what I mean by something is less than or greater than or equal to or something like that. Well, in this situation, this is a solid line, so we know it's going to be an equal to situation. We just got to figure out which inequality it is. So here's what we do. We're just going to pick this point and 0, 0, just like we've done before, and we're going to plug it into the equation right over here. And check this out. So we're going to put 0 in for this is something 2 times 0 minus 3. 0 is something minus 3. So which one's bigger, 0 or minus 3? Well, 0 is bigger. So there's our inequality. So we'll rewrite this as y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 3. We just pretty much rewrite this thing with our inequality right there. So that is our blue equation. Isn't that slick? That's pretty slick, I think. So let's try the same thing for the green one. Okay? So the green one, I'm going to start with y is something mx plus b. Okay? So let's figure out what the something is. I know my b is right here. That's my b. So I got 1. And my slope looks like it's going up 1 and over 1, 2, 3. I can verify it's going up by 1 and over by 3. So that's a slope of 1/3. So I got y is something 1/3 x plus 1. Okay? And again, I'm going to take this point right here. I'm going to plug it in to the equation right here. And we're going to see what happens to tell us where we graph it. So I got 0 is something 1/3 x plus 1. I got 0 is something, oh, I should put the 0 in. I don't know why I didn't do that. Plus 1. So I got 0 is something 1. Well, 0 is less than or equal to 1 because we got it, right? What is it? Oh, this is a dotted line. So it's just less than, right? Less than 1. 0 is less than 1. So there's our inequality that we're going to use in this situation. So I have y is less than 1/3 x plus 1. This is my second inequality. So now you just want to really write these two inequalities one above the other. So I would just write this inequality right here. Y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 3. That's for this one. And now I'm going to write the green one right below it. I don't know why that's a B. I'm sorry, this should be a 1 right there. I got y is less than 1/3 x plus 1. Oh, I guess I should have just put it right in here, shouldn't I? There you go. I did put a spot for you. So there is your system of inequalities. That's how you can find the system, by looking at a graph.